I know you want to go back to the store, and we gonna go. But I think I want to chill today. Is that okay with you? A blasted bed. Dude got some cans of wine bread. What's the date on these mugs? The crap. Is this too much for one person? I don't know. It's the only meat I got in my house right now, so I mean, it's gonna have to do. I think you're right. This is too much. I gotta wash my hands like 70 times when I'm cooking. I hate it. We're gonna put some Alfredo sauce in here. Ain't show me making the meat, cause baby, this mug popped in my armpit. I said a swear word. Did it? I like my pepperoni to sound like Connect Four chips. It's the only little pan I got. I'm sorry. Still don't know whether this was a good idea or not. We'll see. I don't have any regrets so far. Excuse me, sir. Can you tell me what it feels like to not have to pay bills? Mom. Look at my cute little ball. Oh, I'm finna smack expeditiously. Oh, I'm finna partake. Oh, I'm finna partake. Oh, I'm so hungry. Good Lord. This. Don't bring that stupid ball in my bed. Nope. I need to clean up. I'll see you tomorrow.